Hello and welcome to Navkar Digital Institute, India's first virtual learning platform for professional coaching. I am CMA UTKERSH. I am cost accountant medalist, accounting technician, MCom, MPhil and PhD scholar. I am faculty at Navkar as well as I am an assistant director of Navkar Public School. Now I am talking about goods are sent by HO2 branch at cost plus profit. In short, cost price and invoice price both are different. Then what will be the accounting? Let us check. When goods are sent to branch at cost plus profit, first of all, meaning of invoice price and loading. Sometimes the consignor does not want to reveal the cost of goods to the consignee and therefore invoices goods at a price which is higher than the cost price. Such price is known as invoice price, and the difference between the invoice price and cost price is called loading. This is unrealized profit in the given transaction. How to eliminate or remove loading? Very simple. When goods are sent at invoice price, to ascertain correct profit or loss on consignment, the items recorded at invoice price should be brought down to cost price level. For this purpose, the loading included in various items like opening stock, goods sent to branch, goods returned by branch, closing stock should be eliminated by passing the following adjusting entries. First of all, to remove loading from amount of net goods sent to branch. Okay, ICAI has tendency to give net entry regarding loading on goods sent to branch. Whenever we will calculate the practical question, we will give separate entry regarding unrealized profit in goods sent to branch and unrealized profit in goods returned by branch. But right now I am talking about the approach of ICAI. Let us check. Okay, to remove loading from amount of net goods sent to branch, that is goods sent to branch less returned by branch or branch customers to HO. Okay, goods sent to branch account debit to branch account. Next one. To remove loading from amount of closing stock at branch account debit to branch stock reserve account. Ultimately, stock reserve account will be raised for the purpose of eliminating the effect of unrealized profit in branch stock. The closing stock at the end of current accounting period becomes the opening stock of the next accounting period. The aforesaid entry will be reversed in the beginning of the next accounting period as follows. Branch stock reserve account debit to branch account for the purpose of cancelling the stock reserve raised in the previous year. Next one. How to disclose relevant items after adjusting entries. After passing aforesaid adjustment entries, the relevant items will appear in branch account as follows. Now, whenever cost price and invoice price both will be different, then the format of branch account under debtors method will look like this. An extract of branch account. Opening stock, but obvious at invoice price, but unrealized profit in opening stock, opening branch stock would be credited to branch account. Ultimately, the journal entry regarding loading on opening stock will be like this. Stock reserve account debit to branch account. I am repeating, stock reserve account debit to branch account. Goods sent to branch will be debited to branch account at invoice price. But obvious branch account debit to goods sent to branch, that will be the journal entry. But journal entry regarding loading on goods sent to branch will be very simple. It is nothing but goods sent to branch account debit to branch account, goods sent to branch account debit to branch account. Sir, what will be the journal entry regarding goods written by branch to HO at invoice price? Very simple. Goods sent to branch account debit to branch account at invoice price, goods sent to branch account debit to branch account at invoice price. But journal entry regarding loading on returns will be like this. Branch account debit to goods sent to branch account. I am repeating, branch account debit to goods sent to branch account. This journal entry will be given for loading on returns. Closing branch stock would be credited to branch account at invoice price, but loading on closing stock will be recorded on the debit side of branch account. Sir, what will be the journal entry regarding loading on closing stock? Very simple. Branch account debit to stock reserve account. I am repeating, branch account debit to stock reserve account. Next one. Now I am talking about few important tutorial notes. Very, very important. Kindly focus. First one, unless otherwise stated, goods sent to branch and branch stocks are deemed to be at invoice price. If nothing may be given in the question, then we will consider that branch stocks as well as goods sent to branch both are at invoice price. Goods sent to branch means goods sent to branch as well as goods written by branch. Here branch stocks means opening branch stocks as well as closing branch stock. But if nothing may be given in the question, then and then only stock at branch at cost to the branch or stock at branch at its cost means stock at invoice price. Mind well, stock at branch means at cost to branch or stock at branch at its cost means respective cost of branch. This will be known as stock at invoice price. Sir, what would be effect of unrealized profit in case of stock and debtors method? We will discuss later on as and when we will cover up practical question. Sir, what will be the effect of unrealized profit means loading in case of final accounts method? There will be no effect. So why? Because in case of final accounts method, opening branch stock, goods sent to branch, goods returned by branch and closing stock of branch will be recorded only and only at cost price. Only and only at cost price. Hello students, now I am going to cover question number 2 of classwork, in which question I can see that cost price does not equals to invoice price. Means goods are sent by HO to branch at invoice price, which is cost plus profit. Cost plus profit. And hence in this question I can say that issues regarding unrealized profit in opening branch stock, in goods sent to branch, in goods returned by branch and in closing stock of branch will be there. So we have to focus on such kind of points like stock reserves and loadings, etc. Let us check this question number 2, and first of all I will read question number 2 and give you the thoughts regarding important points of this question. Mind well. Okay, here it is given that A Limited Bombay has a branch in Surat to which office goods are invoiced at cost plus 33.33%. I can say that in this question cost price of goods sent by HO to branch equals to 100, suppose. So I can say that loading on goods sent to branch equals to 33.33. Indirectly, invoice price equals to 133.33. Another one. Here it is given that the branch sales both for cash and on credit. Branch expenses are paid from HO, that is out of cash or check remitted by HO to branch. Mind well, here branch expenses paid by HO but indirectly. Next one. And the branch has to remit all cash received into the HO, means head office, bank account. I can say that if in this question the amount regarding cash sales and collection from debtors will be available, then cash sales, amount regarding cash sales plus amount regarding collection from debtors, aggregate of both will be known as cash remittance by branch to HO. Here it is given that branch does not maintain any books of accounts but sends weekly returns to head office. I can say that this is a question regarding dependent branch, because dependent branch cannot prepare separate set of books of accounts in its books. Mind well. Next one. Actual profit. Find out actual profit for the financial year 2013-14. First one by way of debtors method. Second one by way of final accounts method, means trading and profit and loss account method. And third one stock and debtors system. In this question, I can say that cost price of goods sent to branch and invoice price of goods sent to branch both are different. Okay, sir, in case of debtors method, we have to write opening stock of branch, goods sent to branch, closing stock of branch and goods returned by branch at which price? Very simple, invoice price. In debtors method, yes, invoice price. And what will do for unrealized profit in opening stock, in goods sent to branch, in goods returned by branch, and in closing stock? Unrealized profit, elements regarding unrealized profit will be eliminated. Okay. So in case of this final accounts method, means branch trading and profit and loss account method, under the given method, all four elements, I am repeating, all four elements, like opening branch stock, goods sent to branch, goods returned by branch, and closing branch stock will be recorded at cost price. I am repeating, cost price. So there will be no issue regarding loadings, as well as there will be no issue regarding eliminating unrealized profit in opening branch stock, in goods sent to branch, in goods returned by branch, and in closing stock. Okay, then what will be done in case of stock and debtors method? Okay, stock and debtors method. In case of stock and debtors method, branch account is to be segregated in various ledgers. So I can say that in stock and debtors method also, opening branch stock, goods sent to branch, goods returned by branch, closing branch stock, all four elements will be recorded at invoice price. I am repeating, at invoice price. And unrealized profit in opening branch stock, in goods sent to branch, in goods returned by branch, and in closing stock of branch will be eliminated. Let us check. Okay, during the year transactions are here. Goods received from a head office at invoice price 13,50,000. In the given question, there is no separate indication regarding goods sent by HO to branch. So I can say that goods received from HO equals to goods sent by HO. Next one, returns to HO at invoice price 27,000. Mind well, goods received from HO at invoice price 13,50,000 means at 133.33. Returns to HO at invoice price 27,000 means at 133.33. Stock at Surat as on 1st April 2013, invoice price means opening branch stock at 133.33 equals to 1,35,000. Sales in year, cash sales 4,50,000, credit sales 8,10,000, sundry debtors at Surat as on 1st April 2013 1,62,000, cash received from debtors 7,20,000, bad debt in the year 13,500, sales written at Surat branch 9,000. Mind well, in case of debtors method, bad debt, sales return, collection from debtors, credit sales will not be disclosed in branch account. Very simple reason, because closing branch debtors will be disclosed at adjusted figure, mind well. But collection from debtors will also be the part of remittance by branch to HO, and hence remittance will be disclosed in branch account. Mind well. Next one, rent, rates, taxes at branch 40500, salary, wages, bonus at branch 1,35,000, office expenses 13,500. I can say that all three expenses, all three means, right, salary, office expense, all three expenses are paid by HO, but indirectly it is given in the question, mind well. Next one. Stock at branch on 31st of March 2014 at invoice price 2,70,000, means at 133.33. Okay. Next one. Check the solution. Important notes for all the methods. All the methods, yes, this is a common notes for the purpose of debtors method, final accounts method, and stock and debtors method. I told you that we will assume what, sir? Respective cost of head office equals to 100. Okay. Loading on goods sent to branch from HO to branch 33.33. So I can say that invoice price, that is goods sent from HO to branch, equals to 133.33. It is nothing but the accumulation of cost price plus loading. Sir, in this equation, cost price equals to invoice price? No. In this equation, cost price and invoice price both are different. Mind well. Okay. I can say that if price policy regarding opening stock, goods sent to branch, goods returned by branch, and closing stock may not be given in the question. In this question, it is already available. But if any other question may not be given, then all four elements shall be considered at invoice price. I have already covered this point in tutorial note. Am I right? Are you getting me? Okay. Next one. Important calculation regarding cost price, loading, and invoice price. Okay, for all three methods, I am calculating here cost price, loading, and invoice price. Regarding what? Opening branch stock, goods sent to branch, goods returned by branch, and closing branch stock. So all four elements are given at invoice price in this equation. Okay, so we will calculate cost price and loading regarding all four transactions. Okay, sir, now the question will be that what? Sir, at invoice price means at 133.33. So sir, at cost means at 100. Sir, at loading means 33.33. Very easy, let's calculate. Okay, opening stock means opening branch stock. In the question, it is given that opening branch stock equals to 1,35,000 at invoice price. So I can say that at 133.33, 1,35,000. What about 100? So at cost, I can say that 101250. Sir, what about 33.33? Then I can say that loading will be available regarding opening stock 33750. Goods sent to branch. In the given question, I can say that goods from HO and goods received by branch both are same. In the question, this is given at invoice price 13,50,000. So I can calculate at cost price. What about 100? And at 33.33 means loading. So we will get cost price of this transaction 101250 and loading 33750. Mind well. Next one, goods written by branch to HO. It is given at invoice price 27,000. At 133.33, 27,000. What about 100 means cost price 20250. So what about 33.33? Then it will be 6750 means loading. Closing branch stock, it is also given at invoice price means 2,70,000. Sir, at 133.33, it is 2,70,000. What about 100? Means cost price of this transaction. Very simple. 202500. Sir, what will be at 33.33? Means loading. Very simple. 67500. Next one. Now we will cover important notes regarding debtors method. We will focus on debtors method. Mind well in this question, cost price of goods sent by HO2 branch and invoice price of goods sent by HO2 branch, both are different. Mind well. Let us check important notes regarding debtors method. Under the given method, opening stock, goods sent to branch, goods returned by branch, and closing stock shall be recorded at invoice price, and respective loading shall be recorded on opposite direction in the branch account. Means elimination of unrealized profit. I have explained this point already. For the given method, we have to calculate closing branch debtors by way of preparing memorandum debtors account or total debtors account. In question number 1 of classwork, closing branch debtors, the amount regarding closing branch debtors was available. But in this question, closing balance of branch debtors is not available. So we have to prepare, I am repeating, we have to prepare memorandum debtors account for the purpose of calculating closing balance of branch debtors. Let us check. Memorandum debtors account. First of all, opening balance 1,62,000. It is given in the question. Next one, credit sales on the debit side 8,10,000. On the credit side 7,20,000. It is nothing but collection from debtors. Bad date. Okay, due to bad date, debtors will reduce. Okay, 13,500. Sales return 9,000. This all data already available in the question. Okay, sir. Already given in the question. This all kind of informations already available in the question. Yes. All informations are available in the question. But closing balance of branch debtors is not available, which comes to 229,500. Ultimately, this closing balance of branch debtors will be recorded in branch account as a part of closing branch assets. Next one. Okay, now under debtors method, we will prepare branch account. Branch account, yes, branch account for the year ended 31st of March 2014. So first of all, what would be recorded? Here we are going to record opening balance of branch assets. Thereafter, closing balance of branch assets. At the time of recording opening branch stock, please consider that opening balance of branch stock, closing balance of branch stock will be recorded at invoice price, means at 133.33, mind well. And stock reserve will be separately disclosed on the opposite side. Why opposite side? For the purpose of eliminating the effect of unrealized profit in opening stock as well as in closing stock. Sir, goods sent to branch and goods returned by branch, both will be recorded at invoice price. But obvious, loading on goods sent to branch and loading on goods returned by branch will be disclosed on opposite side. Opposite side, yes. For your better knowledge purpose, I will also prepare goods sent to branch account and stock reserve account in the books of HO. Okay. Opening stock at invoice price 1,35,000. Debtors already given in the equation 1,62,000. We are here writing only and only opening branch assets. Okay. Total of opening branch assets equals to 2,97,000. Okay, stock reserve means loading on opening stock means at 33.33, 33,750. What will be the journal entry, sir? Very simple, sir, very simple. Yes, very simple. Stock reserve account debit to branch account. We are cancelling the opening stock reserve. Okay. Next one. Closing branch assets. Stock at invoice price means closing branch stock at invoice price 2,70,000. Debtors 229,500. Ultimately, now we will get closing balance of branch assets, that is 499,500. Next one. Stock reserve on this closing stock means loading on closing stock at 33.33, already calculated 67500. Sir, what will be the journal entry of this 67500? Very simple. Branch account debit to stock reserve account. I am repeating, branch account debit to stock reserve account. Okay. Next one. Goods sent to branch at invoice price 13,50,000. Journal entry of this 13,50,000 will be branch account debit to goods sent to branch. Okay. Loading regarding this will be 337,500. 337,500. What will be the entry regarding loading on goods sent to branch? Goods sent to branch account debit to branch account. Okay. Next one. Goods returned by branch to HO at invoice price. Amount 27,000. Journal entry of this 27,000 will be goods sent to branch account debit to branch account. Goods sent to branch account, I am repeating, goods sent to branch account shall be considered in the viewpoint of HO. Okay. Loading on this 27,000 comes to 6750. Journal entry regarding loading on goods returned by branch will be branch account debit to goods sent to branch. Branch account debit to goods sent to branch 6750. Sir, what is the purpose for eliminating unrealized profit in opening branch stock, in goods sent to branch, in goods returned by branch, and in closing stock of branch. Very simple. So ultimately we can say that we are getting normal cost. I am repeating, we are getting normal cost of opening stock, of goods sent to branch, of goods returned by branch, and of closing stock. I told you, for the purpose of calculating normal cost of consignment, we will eliminate the factor of unrealized profit, means loadings. Sir, why the loading regarding goods sent to branch will be transferred to goods sent to branch, means loading regarding goods sent to branch, loading regarding goods returned by branch? Very simple reason. Ultimately we have to calculate, I am repeating, ultimately we have to calculate net cost of goods sent to branch by way of goods sent to branch account, by way of goods sent to branch account. Sir, why stock reserve, the journal entry of stock reserve in case of loading on opening stock and loading on closing stock? Very simple. The opening stock reserve will be cancelled in this year, and closing stock reserve, means unrealized profit in closing stock of branch, will be carried forward. Very simple. Okay. Next one, remittance by branch to HO. It is nothing but cash sales and collection from debtors. 4,50,000 cash sales and collection from debtors. 7,20,000 comes to 11,70,000. Mind well, in this question it is given that all branch expenses are paid by HO indirectly. So I can say that remittance by HO to branch for branch expense will be debited to branch account. In simple language, journal entry of this transaction will be like this: branch account debit to HO's bank account equals to 1,89,000, means salary and wages 1,35,000, rent 40500, office expenses 13500. Ultimately, the difference on the debit side of branch account comes to 1,57,500. This is net profit through branch. This amount will be transferred to general profit and loss account. So journal entry regarding this 1,57,500 will be very simple. Very simple, sir. Yes, very simple. Branch account debit 1,57,500 to general profit and loss account 1,57,500. Under debtors method, only and only for your conceptual clarity purpose, I am here going to talk about goods sent to branch account and stock reserve account, only and only for your better understanding purpose. Let us check. First one, in the books of HO, goods sent to branch account. On the credit side, I can say that 13,50,000 goods from HO. On the debit side, loading on goods received. I have already explained all these journal entries, so later posting of these transactions will be very easy for you. Okay, loading on goods received 337,500. Invoice price of goods returned by branch will be debited to goods sent to branch account at invoice price 27,000. Loading on goods returned by branch will be credited to goods sent to branch account, but obvious will be debited to branch account. 6750. Ultimately, we will get the difference on the debit side 992250, and such amount will be transferred to purchase or trading account. Okay, I told you that the purpose of preparing goods sent to branch is nothing but to calculate net cost of goods sent to branch, means cost price of goods sent to branch minus cost price of goods returned by branch. This amount, mind well. Next one, stock reserve account. Opening balance of stock reserve 33750. This is ultimately at 33.33, the value of opening stock. This stock reserve will be cancelled in the current year, so the journal entry will be stock reserve account debit to branch 33750. In the current year, 67500 unrealized profit in closing branch stock will be carried forward, and hence such unrealized profit in closing branch stock would be credited to stock reserve account because stock reserve is going to raise, but branch account would be debited. What will be the journal entry of 67500? Means loading on closing branch stock. Very easy. Branch account debit to stock reserve account 67500. Now I am going to talk about final accounts method, means branch trading account and branch profit and loss account. Mind well, in this method, opening branch stock, goods sent to branch, goods returned by branch, and closing branch stock all will be recorded at cost price only. So there will be no issue regarding loading. Mind well. Let us check. First of all, important notes regarding final accounts method. Under the given method, opening stock, goods sent to branch, goods returned by branch, and closing stock shall be recorded at cost price. Okay, in the books of head office, branch trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st of March 2014. Here we will record opening branch stock at 100 already calculated, goods sent to branch at 100 already calculated, goods returned by branch at 100 already calculated, and closing stock of branch at 100 already calculated. 100 means in proportion, but in the value we have already calculated all the amount at cost price. Mind well. Let us check. Next one. On the debit side of branch trading account, opening branch stock at cost price 101250. We have already calculated this amount in common calculation note. Next one, goods sent to branch at cost price 101250 less goods returned by branch 2HO 20250. Ultimately we will get net amount, means net cost of goods sent to branch 992250. This is very interesting. This is nothing but the final answer of goods sent to branch account. We have already talked about. Am I right? Okay. Next one. Sales. will be credited to branch trading account. Cash sales 4,50,000, credit sales 8,10,000. Next one, bad date would be debited due to indirect expense. Bad date would be debited to branch P&L account 13500. Okay, sales return 9,000 is given in the question. So we can calculate net sales, means total sales minus sales return. Net sales equals to 12,51,000. Next one, expenses. Branch expenses paid by HO but indirectly will be treated as indirect branch expense and would be debited to branch profit and loss account. 405,000 for rent, 1,35,000 for salary, and 135,000 for office expenses. Total 1,89,000. Okay. Next one, closing branch stock will be recorded on the credit side of branch trading account but at cost price, because this is final account method. 2,025,000. Next one, we will get the difference on the debit side of branch trading account, 3,60,000, which is nothing but gross profit made by branch, and this amount will be carried forward in branch P&L account, 3,60,000. Ultimately, we will get the difference on the debit side of branch P&L account, 157,500, and this amount will be transferred to general profit and loss account. Mind well, in case of debtors method, we also got the same answer of net profit made by branch, 157,500. Now I am going to talk about stock and debtors method. In case of stock and debtors method, important notes. Okay, in the given method, we will prepare two additional ledgers. First one, stock reserve account, and second one, branch adjustment account. Branch adjustment account, yes, for the purpose of eliminating unrealized profit in opening branch stock, in goods sent to branch, in goods written by branch, and in closing branch stock. So ultimately in this question, we will get gross profit by way of branch adjustment account, because in branch stock account we are going to record opening branch stock, goods sent to branch, goods written by branch, and closing branch stock at invoice price. So then what will be the answer in branch stock account? Very simple, normal profit. I am repeating, normal profit of branch means selling price minus invoice price, not selling price minus cost price, because in this question cost price and invoice price both are different. So ultimately the profit which will be available in branch stock account will be transferred to branch adjustment account. And branch adjustment account, in case of branch adjustment account, we will get, what we will get? We will get gross profit, means selling price minus cost price. So difference on the debit side of branch adjustment account will be known as gross profit through branch. Okay, next one. In branch stock account, opening stock, goods sent to branch, goods returned by branch and closing stock shall be recorded at invoice price. Very interesting. So we can say that profit which can be derived from branch stock equals to selling price minus invoice price. I have explained to you, and such profit shall be transferred to branch adjustment account. In branch adjustment account, along with profit means transfer from branch stock account, all four loadings means loadings on opening stock, goods sent to branch, goods returned by branch, and closing stock shall be adjusted. At last, from branch adjustment account, we will get the amount of gross profit. I told you that. Difference on debit side of branch adjustment account. In the given question, for stock and debtors method, journal entries are not asked. But for your better knowledge and for your better understanding purpose, I am going to talk about each and every journal entries. Kindly focus. First one, loading on opening stock. But obvious, unrealized profit in opening branch stock will be cancelled. Means here we are going to cancel opening balance of stock reserve. So entry will be like this: stock reserve account debit 33750 to branch adjustment account 33750. Ultimately, on the credit side of branch adjustment account, we are going to record realized or expected to realized. Realized profit or expected to realize profit. And in branch adjustment account, on the debit side, I am repeating, on the debit side, we are going to record unrealized profit, or we are going to expect that such kind of, means different kind of profit will be unrealized. So on the debit side of branch adjustment account, we will record unrealized profit, means already unrealized profit or going to unrealized profit. And on the credit side of branch adjustment account, we will record already realized profit or going to realize profit. Mind well. Then and then we will get the difference on the debit side of branch adjustment account, which will be known as gross profit, means selling price minus cost price. Let us check the next entry. Branch adjustment account debit 67500 to stock reserve, means loading on closing stock. Mind well, opening stock, loading on opening stock, this is realized in the current year. So I can say that 33750 would be credited to branch adjustment account, but loading on closing stock is unrealized, and hence 67500 would be debited to branch adjustment account, and stock reserve will be raised by 67500 and will be carried forward, Next one. Ultimately, the entry regarding goods sent to branch at invoice price. Branch stock will increase, but HO's goods will reduce. So very simple entry: branch stock account debit 13,50,000 to goods sent to branch account 13,50,000. Next one, loading on goods sent to branch. Journal entry will be like this: goods sent to branch account debit 337,500 to branch adjustment account 337,500. Ultimately, this is unrealized profit, and hence will be credited to branch adjustment account. No, sir. This is actually, we will believe that this is going to realize. This is going to realize. And hence, we will credit this amount to branch adjustment account. Okay. Next one. Goods sent to branch account, debit 27,000. To branch stock account 27,000. This is nothing but goods written by branch to HO at invoice price. Ultimately, due to goods written by branch to HO, the goods of HO will increase and stock of branch will reduce. Very simple. Sir, what will be the journal entry regarding loading on goods written by branch to HO? Okay, this will denote the unrealized profit, means profit which is not realized, and hence I can say that journal entry regarding loading on goods written by branch will be branch adjustment account debit 6750 to goods sent to branch account 6750. Next one, routine entry, cash sales, branch cash will increase and branch stock will reduce. So journal entry will be like this: branch cash account debit 4,50,000 to branch stock account 4,50,000. Branch debtors account debit to branch stock in case of credit sales. In case of credit sales, branch debtors will increase and branch stock will reduce. 8,10,000. Next one, collection from debtors. Due to collection from debtors, branch cash will increase and branch debtors will reduce. So journal entry will be branch cash account debit 7,20,000 to branch debtors account 7,20,000. Branch cash to branch debtors 7,20,000. Next one, cash remittance by branch to HO, means cash sales plus collection from debtors 11,70,000. Due to cash remittance by branch to HO, I can say that HO's bank will increase and branch cash will reduce. So ultimately journal entry will be like this: HO's bank account debit to branch cash account 11,70,000. Next one, bad debt. Due to bad debt, branch indirect expense will increase and branch debtors will reduce. So journal entry will be like this: branch expense account debit 13,500 to branch debtors account 13,500. Next one, sales return. Due to sales return, branch stock will increase and branch debtors will reduce. So ultimately journal entry will be like this: branch stock account debit 9,000 to branch debtors account 9,000. Next one, remittance by HO to branch, that is regarding rent expense plus salary expense plus office expense. Ultimately the aggregation of all equals to 1,89,000. Due to such kind of remittance by HO to branch, branch cash will increase and HO's bank balance will reduce. So journal entry will be like this: branch cash account debit 1,89,000 to HO's bank account 1,89,000. Next one, branch expense paid by HO indirectly. Due to this, I can say that branch expense will increase but branch cash will reduce. So I can say that the journal entry will be like this: branch expense account debit 1,89,000 to branch cash account 1,89,000. Now on the basis of journal entries, we will prepare various accounts under stock and debtors method. various accounts already discussed in question number 1, but 2 additional accounts will be prepared here because cost price and invoice price both are different in this question. 2 additional accounts, yes. The first one, that is branch adjustment account, and second one stock reserve account. Sir, in this question, petty cash account will be prepared or not? No, petty cash is not available in this question. So, there will be no issue regarding preparing petty cash account. So, there will be 8 accounts. There will be 8 accounts. Let us check. First of all, goods sent to branch account. In goods sent to branch account, we will record 13,50,000 on the credit side. It is nothing but goods from HO at invoice price, because branch stock will increase by 13,50,000, but goods of HO will reduce by 13,50,000. I told you that goods sent to branch account shall be considered in viewpoint of HO. Out of 13,50,000, I can say that 337500 is unrealized profit. So loading on goods sent to branch will be transferred to branch adjustment account. So, the journal entry regarding loading on goods sent to branch will be goods sent to branch account debit to branch adjustment account 337500. Okay. Now, 27,000 is goods written by branch at invoice price. Ultimately, due to this 27,000, HO's goods will increase, but branch stock will reduce. So journal entry regarding 27,000 is nothing but goods sent to branch account debit 27,000 to branch stock account 27,000. Out of this 27,000, unrealized profit in this goods written by branch would be credited to goods sent to branch account but debited to branch adjustment account. So the journal entry regarding 6750 is nothing but loading on goods written by branch. Journal entry will be like this: branch adjustment account debit 6750 to goods sent to branch account 6750. Ultimately, we will get the difference on the debit side of goods sent to branch, which is nothing but net cost of goods sent to branch. Net cost of goods sent to branch, and this difference will be transferred to purchase or trading account. I will also discuss about the journal entries which can be defined or which can be interpreted at the time of concluding accounts. Next one, stock reserve account 33750 opening stock reserve and 67500 closing stock reserve. For academic purpose, you can do one thing. First of all, you will record opening stock reserve, and you will record closing stock reserve. And by way of opening stock reserve, you can pass this entry, means on the opposite side of opening stock reserve, you can write 33750 and can pass the entry like this: stock reserve account debit to branch adjustment account, stock reserve account debit to branch adjustment account. You can write closing stock reserve 67500. This is nothing but unrealized profit in closing branch stock. and thereafter on the opposite side, means on the credit side, you can write 67500 and can write branch adjustment account. So what will be the journal entry of this 67500? Very simple, branch adjustment account debit to stock reserve account 67500. Next one, branch debtors account. Opening balance of branch debtors is available 1,62,000. In the given question, closing balance of branch debtors is not available. We have to calculate. Credit sales is given. Due to credit sales, branch debtors will increase, but branch stock will decrease. 8,10,000. Collection from debtors. Due to collection from debtors, branch cash will increase, but branch debtors will decrease with 7,20,000. Due to bad debt, indirect expense of branch will increase, but branch debtors will reduce by 13,500. Due to sales return, branch stock will increase, but branch debtors will decrease with 9,000. I have already explained all the journal entries. It is a matter of ledger posting now. Closing branch debtors, we will get closing branch debtors equals to 229,500. Next one, branch cash account. In the given question, opening branch cash is 0 and closing branch cash is also 0. In ICI exam, you will not prepare this branch cash account, means it is not required to prepare this branch cash account, but for your better understanding, I am going to discuss this branch cash account for your better understanding. Mind well. Due to cash sales, I can say that branch cash will increase, but branch stock will decrease with 4,50,000. Due to collection from debtors, I told you branch cash will increase, but branch debtors will reduce with 7,20,000. Okay, so what will be the total of 4,50,000 and 7,20,000? Very simple. Very simple, sir. Yes, very simple. 11,70,000. It is given in the question that all the collections will be remitted by branch to HO. So I can say that 11,70,000 is nothing but remittance by branch to HO. HO means head office. So the journal entry regarding 11,70,000 will be like this: HO's bank account debit to branch cash account 11,70,000. Okay, in the question it is given that remittance by HO to branch for branch expenses. It is nothing but 1,89,000 aggregation of all expenses. What will be the journal entry of 1,89,000? It is very easy. Branch cash account debit to HO's bank account. I am repeating, branch cash account debit to HO's bank account 1,89,000. Ultimately, out of 1,89,000, branch expenses will be paid. Branch expenses will be paid. So I can say that indirect branch expense will increase and branch cash will reduce. So the journal entry regarding this transaction will be like this: branch expense account debit 1,89,000 to branch cash account 1,89,000. It is nothing but branch expense paid by head office indirectly. Mind well. Next one, branch stock account. In branch stock account, we will record opening branch stock at invoice price, goods sent to branch at invoice price, goods returned by branch at invoice price, and closing branch stock at invoice price, but net sales will be recorded at actual selling price. So I can say that the final answer means difference on the debit side of branch stock account will be known as normal profit made by branch, which is nothing but difference between selling price and invoice price. I am repeating, the difference will be known as selling price minus invoice price, not the difference between selling price and cost price. Mind well. And the difference in branch stock account will be transferred to branch adjustment account. Let us check. On the debit side of branch stock account, we are going to record opening branch stock at invoice price 1,35,000. Further, on the debit side of branch stock account, we are going to write goods sent to branch at invoice price 13,50,000. Further, on the credit side, I am repeating, on the credit side, we are going to record goods returned by branch to HO at invoice price 27,000. And on the debit side, I'm going to write the amount of sales return 9,000. But now the question is that this 9,000 is related to but obvious credit sales. So cash sales, first of all, cash sales 4,50,000 will be credited to branch stock account, and first of all, cash sales, I am repeating, first of all, cash sales 4,50,000 will be recorded on the credit side of branch stock account, and 8,10,000 credit sales will be credited to branch stock account. But amount of sales return will be debited, I am repeating, will be debited to branch stock account. Sir, what will be in case of closing branch stock account? Closing branch stock account will be recorded at invoice price. At invoice price means credited to branch stock account with 2,70,000. Okay, I am repeating again. The selling price means net sales will be recorded at selling price. But opening stock, opening branch stock, goods sent to branch, goods returned by branch, and closing branch stock will be recorded at invoice price. So the difference on the debit side of branch stock account means 63,000 is nothing but the difference between selling price and invoice price, means normal profit made by branch. Okay, the 63,000 will be transferred to branch adjustment account. Next one, branch adjustment account. Sir, in branch adjustment account, what would be credited? Okay, in branch adjustment, this is a Guru mantra. This is Guru mantra. I am repeating, this is Guru mantra. Okay, on the credit side of branch adjustment account, you will record realized profit or expected to realize profit. On the debit side of branch adjustment account, we will record unrealized profit or going to unrealized profit. Ultimately, on the debit side, we will get the difference, gross profit, means ultimately actual realized profit, actual realized profit. Okay, let us check. On the credit side of branch adjustment account, loading on opening stock 33750 would be recorded. This is realized in the current year, but obvious unrealized in the previous year. Next one, on the credit side of branch adjustment account, we will record loading on goods sent to branch. Means at the time of sending the goods by HO to branch, we will consider that 337500 will be going to realize. But out of this 337500, I can say that 6750 means loading on goods returned by branch is unrealized and hence debited to branch adjustment account. Sir, what about loading on closing stock? Loading on closing stock is also unrealized in the current year. So 67500 would be debited to branch adjustment account. Sir, what about 63,000 means the profit arrived from branch stock account, that is realized. This is 63,000 is nothing but profit, actually normal profit realized by branch, and hence 63,000 would be credited to branch adjustment account. Ultimately we will get 3,60,000. This difference is nothing but will be known as very simple, selling price minus cost price means gross profit, and this gross profit will be transferred to branch profit and loss account. Okay. Next one, branch expense account. Okay, in branch expense account, we are going to record all indirect expenses. I am repeating, all indirect expenses of branch, and total of indirect expenses of branch will be transferred to branch profit and loss account. Mind well. Okay. In branch expense account, on the debit side, we will record back date 13500. On the debit side, we will record 1,89,000 also. It is nothing but branch expense paid by HO indirectly. Ultimately, we will get total indirect expenses of branch 202500 on the credit side of branch expense account, which will be transferred to branch profit and loss account. Now from branch profit and loss account, we will get net profit through branch. I am repeating, net profit through branch. And net profit through branch will be transferred to general profit and loss account. Mind well, general profit and loss account. Okay, sir. On the debit side of branch profit and loss account, we will record 202500. This is nothing but total indirect expenses of branch as calculated in branch expense account. On the credit side of branch profit and loss account, we are going to record branch adjustment account 3,60,000. This is nothing but gross profit. Ultimately, we will get 1,57,500 net profit through branch, and this amount will be transferred to general profit and loss account. Sir, in debtors method as well as in final accounts method, we got the same amount of net profit 157,500. You are right. So net profit through branch will be the same, means amount of net profit through branch will be the same in case of debtors method, final account method and stock and debtors method, but presentation will be different. Now for your purpose, I am going to discuss various journal entries which can be identified. I am repeating, which can be identified at the time of concluding accounts under stock and debtors method. Let us focus on other important entries which can be identified at the time of concluding accounts. At the time of concluding means closing goods sent to branch account, you will get 992250 on the debit side of goods sent to branch account. So I can say that the journal entry for the same will be like this: goods sent to branch account debit 992250 to purchase or trading account. At the time of concluding branch stock account, you will get 63,000. This is nothing but normal profit earned by branch. Journal entry for the same will be like this: branch stock account debit 63,000 to branch adjustment account 63,000. Next one means third one, difference in branch adjustment account. At the time of concluding branch adjustment account, you will get the difference on the debit side, which is nothing but gross profit. Journal entry for the same will be like this: branch adjustment account debit 3,60,000 to branch profit and loss account 3,60,000. 3,60,000. At the time of concluding branch expense account, you will get the difference means amount, which is nothing but 202500, and this difference will be transferred to branch profit and loss account. Journal entry will be branch P&L account debit 202500 to branch expense account 202500. At last, at the time of concluding branch profit and loss account, you will get the difference on the debit side 157,500, which will be transferred to general profit and loss account. So ultimately, journal entry regarding this transaction will be branch profit and loss account debit 157,500 to general profit and loss account 157,500. Now, I will give you few minutes to review the solution for your better understanding. that brings us to the end of this video, and thank you for joining us at Navkar Digital Institute. Study well, work hard, goodbye and good luck. Thank you.